Previous video, we solved question number 1 to 5. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped. I'll be looking at question number 6 to question number 10. So let's get started. Question number 6, given 3 minus 4 root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. We have to find the value of b. Let us do this simplification. Here, we are going to have 3 into 1 plus 3 root 2 minus 4 root 2 into 1 plus 3 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. Let's focus on what you have on the left hand side. When you multiply this, I'm going to have 3 plus 9 root 2 minus 4 root 2 multiplied by 1 minus 4 root 2 minus 10 plus, that will give us minus 4 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2, that will be 12 multiplied by 2 because root 4 will give us 2. Here now, we are going to have 3 plus 9 root 2 minus 4 root 2 is going to give us plus 5 root 2 minus 2 times 12, that is 24. So now I'm going to have 3 minus 24 plus 5 root 2, that is minus 21 plus 5 root 2. And when you compare this one with what you have on the right hand side, that is a plus b root 2, you will see that a is minus 21 and b is 5, and we are going to find the b is equal to 5. For question number 6, the final answer is b is 5, which is option A. So let's continue. For question number 7, you have to find the time given that the principal is equal to $1,250.00, and you are given the amount to be equal to $2,031.25, and likewise you are given the rate. Rate is 12.5% per annum. Remember, the formula for calculating the amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate times time. From here now, you can write it as b into bracket 1 plus rate times time is equal to a. So divide both sides by b. We want to make t the subject of the formula because t is what we are looking for. So we have a over p, and then this will be our rt, will be a over p minus 1. When you take this one to this side, you can multiply both sides by 1 over r, so that we have t at this side, and we are going to have 1 over r multiplied by a minus 1, this over p. Very simple. You can write this formula. It is the same thing as when you find the LCM. You are going to have a minus p over p r is still the same thing. So let us make substitution, and then when you substitute, our a from what is given is $2,031.25 divided by what is p, $1,250.00. Therefore you get a minus 1, so multiply by 1 over what is the rate, that is 10.5, which is going to be 0.125, and when you press your calculator, you are going to get 5 as the final answer, which means the answer is 5 years. Option D. That is that for question number 7. Let's move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is a logarithm. 2x minus 1 base 3 is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x. Very simple and straightforward. Remember the laws of logarithm, like what we did on question number 3. Yes. Here now we are going to have 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 5, and we are going to have 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 5 will give you 243, and you take 1 to the other side of the equation. We have 2x is equal to 243 plus 1, which is equal to 244. When you divide both sides by 2, we are going to have 244 divided by 2, which is 122. So x is equal to 122. That is your final answer for question number 8, which is option D. Let's look at question number 9. So if you want to calculate population at t, is going to be initial population into bracket 1 plus r rate over 100 raised to power t. You are given that the population was 3,000 at in the year 2000. 1 plus, and what is the rate given? The rate is 3%, so divided by 100. And then what is the time? Time is, we are calculating from year 2000 to 2003. That is 3 years. Raised to power 3. This will give us 3,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.03 raised to power 3. And when you press your calculator, so the final answer, you are going to get 3,270, which is option B. So that's the final answer for question number 9. So let's move to question number 10. Question number 10 is a percentage error. Percentage error is equal to error over actual value multiplied by 100% over 1. Here now, what is the error? So error is going to be 570 minus 540 divided by what is the actual value? That is 570 multiplied by 100 over 1. So and then if you subtract this one, we are going to have 570 minus 540 That will give us 30 over 570 times 100 over 1. This is 3000 over 570, and we have this cancel with this. We have 300 over 57, and when you do your calculation for 300 over 57, you are going to have a 5 whole number 5 over 19%. Final answer is option A. Alright, that is that for this video. In the next video, we're looking at question number 11 to question number 15.